Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious sopita de fideo with meatballs. It comes out delicious and is perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious and amazing sopita de fideo with meatballs. These are my few ingredients. I have salt, chicken bouillon, paprika, smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, parsley, tomato puree, half an onion, half a pound of ground beef, and of course the star, the fideos, the pasta. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and amazing fideo sopita with meatballs. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the ground beef. I have extra lean ground beef. I am going to pull it apart, and I was almost forgetting that I need to add 1 egg. I'm going to add 1 egg, incorporate it really good. Of course, adding all the spices. Remember that the salt is to taste. Salt, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, and parsley, half a teaspoon of each. And now I'm just going to incorporate it really good, making sure that the ground beef really is incorporated with the egg that we added in here. You don't need too much to make this amazing fideo ground beef meatballs. Look at this. Once everything is nice and incorporated, use your best tools to make the little round circles of meat, the meatballs. Take your time. This really takes the longest to make the little balls. Once you have them, add it to a hot pan. Add a little bit of vegetable oil, because remember that the beef is extra lean ground beef. So now I am ready to get it nice and golden brown from both sides. I am cooking it in medium heat. Once you add all your meatballs, just cook it for just a couple minutes. You don't want to overcook your meat. You want to make sure that it just gets golden brown, and then when it's already getting nice and golden brown, then you're ready to flip. This is the part that you need to be careful. You don't want to overcook your meatballs. You want to make sure that you just brown them a little bit, and once they're nice and brown, you are ready to continue with the fideo. I am ready to flip them over and just cooking them for 1 more minute, and then they're ready. It really doesn't take too long to cook your meatballs. But let me tell you, this recipe, it's so easy to prepare. It's so delicious, and it's perfect for this cold weather. You are really going to love this recipe. Okay, once you flip them over 1-2 minutes, and then move the pan and start with your fideo. Well, here I have half an onion, and I'm only use 1/4 of the onion. I'm going to just chop the onion, and doesn't matter if it's small or little pieces. It's really going to incorporate really good into the fideo soup. So now I am ready. In a pan, I'm adding vegetable oil, and then I'm adding the onion. I just want the onion to infuse the vegetable oil before I add the fideo. I'm using 1 bag of the fideo, and now I'm just going to incorporate it and brown the fideo just a little bit. You don't need to overcook the fideo. Once you see the fideo, it's turning a little bit brown, then it's ready to add the tomato sauce. Look at this. it's getting nice and golden brown, I am ready to add the tomato sauce. Once you add your tomato sauce, add hot water. Don't add cold water. This is very important. You want to wake up your fideos and get them nice and fluffy, so add hot water. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit of water to that cup where I had the sauce. And now I'm adding chicken bouillon. Remember, chicken bouillon and salt is to taste. Once it starts boiling, then you need to taste it to see if you need to add a little bit more of salt or chicken bouillon. But let me tell you, this fideo comes out so delicious, so amazing, and the meatballs get so juicy. They really absorb all those amazing flavors of the liquid. And now I am ready to start adding the meatballs. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Once you add your meatballs, just cook it for 5 more minutes, and then this is ready to enjoy, especially in a rainy day. This is such a delicious warm soup that you could enjoy with your beautiful family. Just a couple minutes and you're gonna see the fideo getting nice and fluffy, the meatballs really getting soft and moist. And now, of course, I am ready to prepare my plate to enjoy this amazing fideo soup with meatballs. I know that your mouth is watering, and I know that you are going to make this amazing fideo meatball soup. Look at this. Look how delicious this looks. Enjoy it just like this. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy and get nice and warm. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with this amazing fideo with meatballs. This is the part I really love and enjoy. It's nice and cold, and this is how you enjoy a fideo at home. Of course, made with love, made with lots of love. Excuse me. The meatball is so juicy, just amazing. Let me tell you, you need to make this amazing recipe. Easy, delicious, and I know your family is going to love it. Delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing fideo with meatballs. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.